Okay, Amicalola Campground. There's a woman doing the dishes in the creek. Let's see. And again, we're the only ones out here. This time we didn't have to do the build a huge fire, and we found some firewood, but we brought a couple cords. Here's where we do our dishes, and Carrie's gonna wash my t-shirts a little bit later, and socks. Say good morning, babe.
Good morning. No activity last night.
No activity. Didn't rain. What was that, babe?
Slept like a baby.
Yeah.
No rain.
And there's the porta potty back there.
I didn't clean it up, babe. Don't show them.
Okay, I won't show them the bathroom. And then our mansion. All our supplies. We got all our supplies in the garage. And then this is inside. Got our bear whistle, shotgun with us. And we're gonna go and hike the Appalachian Trail in a little bit. We just finished up our eggs and made some coffee. This is how we do it. We're ready for the apocalypse.
Dishes are washed, Paul.
All right, Mom.